we will learn formatting again. So yesterday we discussed formatting, like how to if the values in amount, so how you can show in currency sign on all the things. If the value in other things, so you can change all the things, okay, as per your requirement. So in today's video we will discuss another formatting of pivot table. So here firstly we have to select our range, and then we have to make pivot table here. So again, just select the brand, okay, then country sale, and same thing, listing price. Yeah. So okay, so here you get the information. So yesterday we discussed, like click on the click, right click, then you have to just go number format, then you can select all the things here. If you want to show your data in percentage, all the things, so you can show here, okay, as per the requirement. So now in this video we will learn another formatting. Let's assume if the someone want only but they want only average, so how can we get the only average? So here you can just click here, you can click the value field setting. If you want average, so you have to just click average, okay. We get the average price. Again you have to select we get the average price of the all the product. Here we can get. Now if someone want the count, so you have to just click here, then go to the count and just okay, you get the count, okay. So in Canada only Canon is one, Japan its sale is two, in Mexico is one, South Korea, for USA one. So total number of uh, brand sale of Canon, total amount, total count and quantity, we can say directly quantity. So total quantity is 9. So here we can select the count. So I'm just telling one scenario. If I had one interview, I don't want to share the name of the company name. So interviewer asked me one question. First one is VLOOKUP. I already shared this things to you. And second one, he asked, I want to show this number in count. So how can you do this thing? So I know only one thing, like here you can just click only field setting and you can get the count. But he asked, I want sum as well as count. So how can you do these things? So that time I think so much, but I forget all the information how I we can do these things. Actually I know that time I know only we can just click on the value setting and we can change the count, but he asked I want sum as well as count. So here we have another option, like we already select the sum of the list price. You have to just again one time drop down this thing, so you get the count as well. Here you can get the count. So as per your requirement you can do formatting, you can do grouping, you can change the all the things in symbols like here. So in today video this information is enough, so tomorrow we will discuss another thing of pivot table. Thank you so much my dear friend, have a good day.